Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel. So friends, this video is very important for you as I will be discussing about the 8 biggest off-campus freshers direct hiring. So the candidates who are currently pursuing or have recently completed their degree from BE Tech, ME Tech, BCA, MCA or MSc degree in 2021 to 25 batch, they can apply for these jobs. There is also a remote job where you will be immediately joining. So let's see more details about the hiring. So the first hiring is from Highland. Highland is hiring for both freshers as well as experienced role. So if you are a fresher and passing out in 2023 batch, then you must apply for this hiring, where there is both opportunity to work in a hybrid or remote mode, and after the selection you will be immediately joining. Second hiring is from Siemens. Siemens is hiring for the graduate trainee engineer for Pune location. So talking about who are eligible to apply for this job, then you should be having the engineering degree in instrumentation and electrical engineering branch, where a freshers can apply for this job, where you should be having basic knowledge in your field of instrumentation or electrical engineering with a knowledge in software programming, which would be an advantage for this job. Third hiring is from Razorpay. Razorpay is hiring for their solution engineering team, where you should be having your BE Tech or MTech degree in CS, IT or EC with a technical knowledge in Java, .NET, PHP and Python. So this job is also for the immediate joiner for Bangalore location. Fourth hiring is from Onsemi. So they are hiring for the internship role for Bangalore location. So talking about who are eligible to apply for this internship, then you should be having the bachelor's or master's degree in electrical engineering with 0 to 2 years of experience in pixel and image sensor development, which is a mandatory skill to apply for this internship. And if you want to know more about the skills to apply for this internship, then you can also refer to the skill section where details about the skills are mentioned. Fifth hiring is from Max Software, where Max Software is hiring for the new graduate of BE Tech in CSE or IT branch for the software engineer position with the experience of 0 to 2 years for Noida, Hyderabad and Mumbai location. So if you have graduated recently and seeking for the software engineer profile, then you must apply for this profile by applying in this link. So if you click on the link, you have to provide your personal detail. Sixth hiring is from Guidewire. Guidewire is hiring for the software engineering intern for their cloud data platform for Bangalore location. So talking about the internship, then you should be currently pursuing your bachelor's or master's degree in computer science from any university, where you should be graduating in 2023 or 24 with excellent programming skills in Java, Python and OOPS concept, and you should be also having the deep understanding in data structures and algorithm. So talking about the internship, then the duration of the internship will be of 3 months as a software engineer. Seventh hiring is from Dassault System. Dassault System is hiring for their technical support engineer for Pune location. Talking about the qualification and experience who should apply for this job, then you should be having BE Tech degree in mechanical or production engineering with 60% throughout your academic career, and no gaps are allowed between your education. So the candidate who are having 0 to 3 years of industry experience in CAD or PLM software, they can apply for this job. So this opportunity is for both freshers as well as experienced candidate who have undergone any training or certification program in CAD or PLM software. Eighth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm is hiring for their analog design engineer for Bangalore location. So talking about the eligibility criteria, then you should be having bachelor's degree in computer science, electrical or electronics engineering with minimum 4 years of experience in hardware engineering. Or if you are having the master's degree, then you should be having 3+ years of experience. Or if you are having PhD degree in computer science, electrical or electronics engineering, then minimum 2 years of experience in hardware engineering is required to apply for this job. So if you are having the higher degree, then with less work experience, you can apply for this job. So these were the 8 biggest off-campus job opportunities for all the freshers as well as experienced candidate. So I hope you can apply maximum of these off-campus job opportunities which are provided in this video. And all the links for these jobs are provided in the description box. And if you are having any doubts related to any jobs, then do comment down below. and also share with all your friends those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities, and also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates, as I regular post freshers off-campus job opportunities. So you must subscribe to our channel to get the latest job updates. So we will meet in the next upcoming latest jobs. Till then, thank you.